What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Generica, the owner of the Stoner's Vault, and today I'm coming back with another video, a very short video. I wanted to talk about my new face mask and the safety and importance of wearing a face mask when you're working with epoxy. I've had a few people in my comments that have told me about, oh, you should be wearing a mask and blah 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 and all of this. So I decided to make a video so you guys can see that I do have a mask and I do wear a mask now. It's just that in that video I didn't have a mask on. If you don't have a mask, I will leave a link in my description where you can get this mask as well. But if you don't have that mask, this mask at the time, just wear a regular disposable mask. I know this is better protection, but if you don't have it, you don't have it. So just wear a regular disposable mask until you're able to get the mask that you want. And I honestly feel like you don't need to buy this big mask if you don't know for sure if this is what you want to do. If this is just something that you want to try out or you want to see if you like it, just wear a disposable mask. It takes a little bit of time for epoxy to kind of like get in your system. So if you're just doing 1 or 2 trays, why buy this huge mask when you could just wear a disposable mask? And just make sure that you're in a ventilated area, that you're not in a closed tight space, and that the air is circulating in the room. Or just go outside if you can to get some fresh air, so you will not breathe in the harsh chemicals that will harm your lungs in the long run from using epoxy. So epoxy is very toxic when it is not cured. Once it is cured, it is fine, but while you are mixing epoxy, it is very toxic. So yes, you should be in a ventilated area. You should be outside if you can, or if you're in the house, just make sure that the air is circulating and that you are by a window or you have a door open or something like that. But this is the mask that I have. It is a chemical respirator mask, and I did purchase this on Amazon. Like I said before, I will have it in the description box below, but I'm about to open it and show you guys what all comes in this particular mask. So we have our goggles. So these are the goggles. These are good for when you're probably, you know, spray painting, or me when I chip off of the epoxy that's dried around the edges of my trays and it does fly in my face sometimes. So I do wear goggles, but these are the goggles that come with them, so I can wear these as well when I'm working with chipping off of the excess epoxy, or if I just want to wear goggles while I'm using the epoxy, because sometimes it does make your eyes a little irritated when you're using epoxy. So that is something. We have, let's see, this is just the directions of how to actually assemble your mask. So this is the face mask part. I have to figure it out, y'all, because this is a new one, so I have to assemble it. But this is the face part. It goes here over your face. And this is the, what are these called? The Nasum respirator. So these are the respirators that go on the actual mask. And these are the pads and the covers that go with the mask as well. So I'm going to assemble my mask, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how it looks once it is completely assembled.
So we have on our goggles for eye protection, and we have on our respirator mask for lung protection. So I am fully protected and ready to work. Don't I look like I'm important? I'm working for real. But yeah, so this is the full face covering protection that you would need to work with epoxy. Woo!
Okay, y'all. So I wanted to show you guys me with my respirator on. So like I said before, it will be linked down below. And what kind of channel would I be? What kind of how-to channel would I be without showing you guys some safety and the importance of safety, because we want to be able to breathe when we're 50 years old. So I just have to put that out there as a little disclaimer so no one else can say you're not telling your subscribers about the safety and the danger of breathing in those harsh chemicals. So from now on, you guys know, you heard it here, that wearing a respirator mask is very important. So with my starter kit, pulled it off trying to pull it up off my face. So let me take this off right now. In my practice kits, they do not come with a respirator mask. They come with a disposable mask because, you know, if this is something that you're just practicing or want to try out, I honestly feel like you can wear a disposable mask because it's a disposable mask and you don't know 100% sure if this is something that you want to do. It does take a little time for epoxy to mess up your lungs. So, you know, wearing a disposable mask for the couple times that you are going to practice is perfectly fine. Once you say, hey, I like this is what I want to do, time to purchase that mask. And if you are already a seasoned rolling tray maker or a tumbler maker, any type of epoxy user, and you don't have a respirator mask, please click the link in my description and purchase your respirator mask, because it is so important. You need your lungs, we need our lungs, so let's take care of the lungs that we have now so we can have a prosperous business and we don't have to deal with the side effects that come with using epoxy without a respirator mask. And stay ventilated, stay open air, stay out of tight spaces when we are working with epoxy. That is something that is so important. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.